Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Gracias por ver las damas de Ibanas en el Dere. Yo soy tu anfitriona, Bridget. So those of you that have not been to Punta Cana in a while, guess what? The new IKEA has finally opened. I think it's been open for a few weeks now. I have been in and out of Punta Cana, you know me, but it is finally open. It is on a large scale. So now you don't have to go to the smaller flagship store and order and wait for it to come from Santo Domingo and be delivered and all of that good stuff. You can come right here to the new large IKEA, and I think they have a lot of stuff in stock. I've been here, but I haven't bought anything because my house is fully furnished. But you can come here if they have it in stock. You can come with your truck or your car tied to the roof like other Dominicans do and take it home with you today. Devlin's gonna zoom through the store for a minute, but y'all, it's so funny because the main thing that I have been hearing about Dominicans that have been coming to IKEA is the famous Italian meatballs. So even if you weren't an IKEA shopper, I know in Houston, IKEA, I-10, we would go to IKEA just to have lunch because they would offer the meatball specials. Y'all, the meatballs are really good. So Dominicans are falling in love with the IKEA style, Switzerland style Italian, or not Italian, Switzerland style meatballs here at IKEA. So they do have a cafe. It is really nice. It is, to me, it's a lot nicer than the one in the Houston store. So we are going to zoom in because, I hate filming in stores when it's a lot of people. We're going to zoom in, give y'all a little bit of a look at the new large IKEA here in downtown Punta Cana. It's in the same shopping center as the old smaller Punta Cana, as the smaller IKEA. Y'all, I'm so crazy. So it's a smaller IKEA. So we are going in. We're going to zoom through. We're going to pause a little bit in the cafe. The prices are IKEA prices, y'all. They some things are like so reasonable, like you're like, wow, that is a good price. And then other things are like super high, through the roof. And I already told y'all, I gave y'all tips on things that you need to bring from the US that are going to be cheaper. And that's going to be like your sheets and your towels that you're going to be able to save money on. Ross, Burlington, TJ Maxx, Target, y'all know the drill. But the new IKEA is open, it's large, it's nice, super nice, and the people are really friendly. So I went through it once already. Now let's go. Follow us. And this is just part of the store. This is like their little kitchen area and dining room. I love how they have the little models and everything already set up in here. So if you're not a design person and not sure how to put things together, they did it for you, from the placemats to the silverware to the little light fixtures. This is so pretty. So if you're just in Punta Cana, downtown, I already know you went to Jumbo. After you leave Jumbo, or before you go to Jumbo, so you don't have to come in here with all your bags, then you can just come around and look at some of the design ideas, because this kitchen is pretty. And I'm going to zoom over here because I'm in love with this. So if I had a larger kitchen, this is something I would really like for my kitchen. So for all the people that are buying new projects and you got to do everything from scratch, this is a fabulous setup right here. And it's a no-brainer. Just come in, let them put it all together for you, and walk away. You're done. So pretty. Everybody, bigger and bigger and better every day. I am done with this IKEA episode. Somebody asked me about it that hadn't been here in a few months, so I wanted to show you that yes, indeed, we have a full service Big, grande IKEA, no more little. And you can get your purchases same day, take them home with you. So y'all know where it is, in the same shopping center, right next door to, used to be, I'm not finna film that right now, but Davin's gonna show you a picture. Used to be Super Polo, it is now Sarina. They changed the name, gave it a new look. It is not an episode for me to do right now, but it's right next door to IKEA. So see y'all later.